One. Go, baby! Another Filipino artist. I don't know what we're selling. The painting or the dancer. But right now, later this guy will be for sale. Okay? This is for the night, apparently. But this one right now is Sapaguita by DJ Paeste. with pesos. 4-5. We have a 4-5 bid. Do we have another bid? Do we have a bid for 4-6? 4-6? 4-6.
Congratulations.
4-6. Thank you.
That's a really good portrait.
5. Do we have another bid? 5-1. 5-1. Who wants to bid 5-1? 5-1. 5-1 for Sapaguita. 5-1. 5-1. Do we have another bid? Going once. Going twice. No!
You have to be proud of it.
I don't need to show you all the bid anymore. Congratulations, 5-1.
Party like after this?
Oh yeah. Alright, what is next? What is next? I think Blossom is next. Blossom, take a look. Please take your attention to the pool with the dancing man. Blossom. Woman has a diamond art painting. This kind of painting is different. Gives a totally different dimension in your home. Do we hear a bid? Do we have a bid for 4,000 pesos? Do we have a bid for 4,000? We have a bid? We have a bid for 4,000 pesos. Blossom by Melanie Navarro. 4,000. Melanie. Hey, we can't get a hold of this bid. Alright, take a picture. Do we have another bid? 4,000? Going once? Going twice? Sold! Oh my goodness. False alarm. We apologize. It is still open for posing again. For helping me home. 4,000 pesos. No bids? Alright, let's move on to Oregon. Let's go on to the next painting, which is Morgan. Don't forget, you guys are not only taking home a wonderful artwork, supporting artists, you guys are helping Typhoon victims. The next painting is Morgan, the Phantom Queen by Rita Finley. Value at 9,000 pesos from the personal collection, our personal collection. We've been naming this Typhoon Odette. Take a look at Morgan, the Phantom Queen. I'm gonna make it far off. to a painting. Starting bid is uncharted. Do I hear a bid for 5,000 pesos? You're benefiting the victims of Typhoon Odette. Bring yourselves, buy yourself an artwork, an amazing piece of artwork with 20,000 pesos. And it's benefiting the victims of Typhoon Odette. Starting bid is at 5,000 pesos. Starting bid at 5,000 pesos. Do I hear a bid? Do I hear a bid? For 5,000 pesos. Yes, let's bring in the other artwork. Guys. Right now, everything is open for sale. Bring yourself a wonderful piece of artwork. This one's sold. These two are for sale. The next one is, the last one is Queen of the Berries by Rico Riatini. Right now we have we have a bid for 5,000 pesos. Yes, we do. Do we hear a 5-1? Benefiting not only the artists, you're also supporting the victims of Typhoon Odette. 5-1, 5-1, 5-1, meaning 5-1. Let's bring it over here for a last look. Bring it here. Bring it over here. We have a bid for 5,000. Or is it Vivid? Vivid. Vivid's got a bid for 5,000 pesos. Bring it over here. Bring it to bring it to me, guys.
Why, that's so beautiful! That's mine! That's so fairy!
The Queen of the Fairies. Look at that. Look at that. The Queen of the Fairies. We have a bid for 5,000. Do we hear? 5-1. Omar. No. No. 5-1. Norman. 5-5. We have a bid for 5-5 for Norman. David. David. Do we have another bid? 5-6. 5-6. It's not the Tooth Fairy, it's the Queen of the Fairies. By Rico Riatini. David. Do we hear 5-6? David. It's for Typhoon Odette victims. 5-6. Look at that. You're, not only are you getting... For 5-6. David? Yes? Yes. All right. All right. Going once. Going twice. So to the
The Island Tooth Fairy!
From the Queen of the Fairies, now the owner of the queen of the tooth fairy. Alright, congratulations. If you guys want to take home these artworks, we have 2 more available. Just let us know. Oh, that was a wonderful auction so far. On to the next part, which is another raffle. Who's ready for another raffle draw?
1,600 pesos. One lunch and a dinner for 2 worth 1,500 pesos. So if you can get the raffle jug to come over here, we can go and pick the winners. In the meantime, we'd like to thank Jinky Gallegos so much. Thank you, victims of Odette. It was actually just her birthday, December 15, and she didn't really celebrate her birthday with like a party, and she thought that this would be a great way to do it. So how about a big round of applause for Jinky, who masterminded this whole fundraiser. Everybody, give Jinky a big hand! So thank you so much to Jinky, and thank you so much also to Norma, to Jason, to Enzo, the whole group, part of the Boracay Gives Hope. Christian as well. All right, let's go and pick the first raffle winner. What?
All right. You ready for the raffle?
Okay, 1 island chicken in a cell worth 1,000 pesos gift certificate goes to Joannu. You guys got it right. Legibly in these things. All right, we've got 1 Sand and Sky apparel to Andrew Gritska. Andrew Gritska.
This guy is on a roll.
He is on fire. Another one of Sand and Sky apparel goes to Jace Suzard. Jace Suzard. Where is Jace Suzard? We have another island chicken in a cell, 1,000 pesos worth of gift certificate. And this one is for Darla or Daria. Darla or Daria. All right, there you go. Another 1,000 peso gift certificate to Island Chicken in a Cell goes to Keith Pareja. Keith Pareja. Where is Keith? There he is, getting applause from his friends. Next we've got bottles of wine to give out, and this one is from R&R. Azenith R. Azenith R. You get a bottle of wine from R&R. Where is Azenith R? Azenith R. And a second bottle of wine, because we have 4 to give away tonight. We have Keith Pareja again. Keith Pareja. Keith Pareja, another bottle of wine. Third bottle of wine from R&R goes to Daniela Sevilla. Daniela Sevilla. And fourth bottle of wine goes to Elliot. Elliot, you win a bottle of vino. Here you go. This is Elliot. All right, next prize we've got a SEMA gift certificate for 2,000 pesos. SEMA gift certificate goes to Norman. You win again, Norman. SEMA gift certificate for 2,000 pesos. 1 Dini Beach gift certificate for 1,000 pesos goes to All right, next we've got a Lanterna dinner for 2. All right, who is going to go to Lanterna for free? 1,500 pesos worth of gift certificate for Daria. We hope you guys are enjoying your evening. Remember, proceeds of tonight's events will be going towards the Typhoon victims, Odette. So please keep drinking, keep having fun. We still have a lot more prizes, a lot more auctions to showcase to you guys. In the meantime, thank you so much for being here with us tonight. This is Boracay Gives Hope, a Christmas party.